Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. We back bussing. If you don't know Counting Currency, that's Cordell. Go check him out. He always says that. I feel like it's his trademark. It's cool. But anyway, welcome back. Another day of Instacart. We got it started a little bit later than the last 2 days, but we're still gonna make the best of it. It is Sunday, so we should do pretty well, maybe even better than the last 2 days. So just swipe the order. It's a little bit much, but it's $43 at Aldi, one person, 4 miles, 67 items, 83 units. A lot of it was like vegetables and stuff, which I hate shopping produce, but those items add up. So, you know, cucumbers, whatever it might be. But anyway, we're gonna go knock this out. Start off with a 43. I think that's solid. Hopefully we can get all 40s today or more, just to rack it up. Might stop a little early today because I'm just exhausted. I'm ready to sleep in tomorrow. So let's get it. I'll get back with you guys once we get it done. Alright guys, that took way too long. It is like 12:30 or 22, and I think I started that order at like 10 something. But I might be wrong, but I thought it was 10 something. But anyway, the total came out to $43.77, so it's pretty good for the first order. So let's go try and get something else. And yeah, let's just get at it. Let's make it happen today. Bada boom, bada bam. I'll get back with you guys. Alrighty, just got another order for Meijer for $48 or 48 items and 70 units. It's a little bit of a lot, just for $32 though. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out. I did see a few that I should have took for Costco. I saw one for 38 for like 13 items, 5 miles. Really should have taken that because I probably would have been done shopping it by now. The time that I waited to get this order at Meijer. I really don't like shopping at Meijer. I think I've expressed this before. Just seems like they're just always out of fucking shit. And I don't know why, but anyway, I'm gonna get back with you guys once we get this done. Alright, Alright guys, that last order was pretty decent, I guess. The people were nice and everything were responsive, so I don't know if you guys can see me. I don't know if that sun, anyway, I didn't know if the sun was in there, but I just got another order. 45 items for $53 at Costco. That's a lot. That is a lot. But it's not big stuff. It's mostly produce and food, which I can dig. I can get with it. So we're gonna make it happen. Knock it out, knock it out, knock it out. Anyway, about to go knock this out. $53, 45 items, Costco. Should be able to shop it pretty quick. Everything's almost in one area, so let's go see what we can make happen. So I thought that was gonna be fast, but they ended up being out of stuff. Costco is usually pretty good about stock, but anyway, here's some of it, and now we're on to the drop-off. All right, so you guys see how long that took. Man, and then they had a bunch of steps, bro. So like, yeah, that was kind of rough. I don't think I want that many steps in my like front porch ever. Like, I want it to just be like a walk up. Then again, I don't know. It was still a nice house. It looked older, but you could tell it was nice. It had a Model S outside and everything. So anyway, I'm getting a call from my mom. But I want to let you guys know we are at 133.81, and I think this might be it for today, but I'll let you know here in a bit. All right, guys, we're going to call it a quit. It's 5 o'clock. I'm tired. I don't feel like working anymore, just to be honest with you. So we're at 133.81, which that's just going to have to do. So I'll get back with you guys tomorrow. And forever and always, stay safe, be positive, move with positivity every day, and never give up. Keep moving forward. Alright guys, that's it for today. Let me put these windows up. That's it for today. So we're gonna end off at 133.81, which is pretty good for the amount of time that we were out here, and the orders were sufficient. So I'm cool with that. I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm tired, I'm ready to go. So hopefully you had a good day today, and I just pray that, you know, everything's going well for everyone out there that's trying to do something better with their life. So if that's you, take your hat off, pat yourself on the back, because you're doing it. You woke up today, you're watching this video, hopefully, but you're watching the video, you're doing whatever you need to be doing to get through life, and sometimes it's tough, but like I always say, keep moving forward and always stay positive. Like, that's the biggest things. Like, no matter what, let all negative outside forces just let them be. And if you need to handle them with positivity. Sometimes positivity looks different, you know? So just keep doing you. That's all I gotta say. So stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.